Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is D. Question number 2. Which state government has launched Mukhya Mantri Jivan Anuprerna scheme to support research scholars? A. Telangana. B. Assam. C. Maharashtra. D. Sikkim. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. Which government department has initiated the Naksha program for urban land survey? A. Department of Land Resources. B. Department of Commerce. C. Department of Economic Affairs. D. Department of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. PM Wani scheme is associated with which sector? A. Internet services. B. Agriculture. C. Healthcare. D. Education. Correct answer is A. Question number 5. What is the name of the scheme recently approved for relaunch by the Employee State Insurance Corporation? A. Pradhan scheme. B. Spree scheme. C. Udyog scheme. D. Seva scheme. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. Which two agriculture initiatives were launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Indian Agriculture Research Institute in October 2025? A. PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana and Mission for Atmanirbhar in Pulses. B. PM Krishi Samriddhi Yojana and PM Kisan Urja Mission. C. PM Fasal Samriddhi Yojana and Mission Protein Bharat. D. Krishi Utthan Abhiyan and National Agro Prosperity Mission. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Sehat Yojana in July 2025? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Bihar. D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. The Ministry of Heavy Industries launched an incentive scheme for e-truck under which scheme? A. FAME India scheme. B. PM E-Drive scheme. C. National Electric Truck Mission. D. PM Green Mobility Yojana. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. What is the new name of the employment linked incentive scheme? A. PM Kaushal Rozgar Yojana. B. PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. C. Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Abhiyan. D. Mega Employment Incentive Mission. Correct answer is B. Question number 10. Which state government has launched the Youth Stipend Scheme in July 2025? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Swasth Sathi is a health insurance scheme launched by which state government? A. Manipur. B. West Bengal. C. Odisha. D. Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Which state government has launched the Him Bus Plus scheme? A. Haryana. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana is implemented under which sub-scheme of Mission Shakti? A. Samarthya. B. Sambal. C. Saksham. D. Shakti. Correct answer is A. Question number 14. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijut Moyana 2.0 scheme to boost girl higher education? A. Nagaland. B. Assam. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Education. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. What is the name of Karnataka's flagship scheme that provides free bus travel to women? A. Shakti scheme. B. Mahila Vahan Yojana. C. Sarthi scheme. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. Smile scheme was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development. B. Ministry of Urban Development. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. PM Swanidhi Yojana was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. D. Ministry of Urban Development. Correct answer is C. Question number 19. What is the name of Maruti Suzuki's first battery electric vehicle inaugurated by PM Modi? Option A. E-Vitra. B. E-Green. C. E-Swift. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 20. What are the two sub-schemes under the Export Promotion Mission? A. Niryat Bandhu and Niryat Mitra. B. Niryat Protsahan and Niryat Disha. C. Niryat Sudhar and Niryat Vikas. D. Niryat Margdarshan and Niryat Samarthan. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Agri-Stack scheme is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. B. Ministry of Cooperation. C. Ministry of Food Processing Industries. D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is A. Question 22. The Promotion of Research and Innovation in Pharma Medtech Sector scheme was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is C. Question 23. Which is the nodal ministry of PM Kusum scheme? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. C. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. D. Ministry of Agriculture. Correct answer is C. Question 24. What is the name of the mission launched by government in October 2025 to promote high-yield long staple cotton cultivation? Option A. Better Cotton Initiative. B. Kapas Kranti Mission. C. White Gold Mission. D. Cotton Development Mission. Correct answer is B. Question 25. National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Scheme was launched in which year? A. 2015. B. 2008. C. 2010. D. 2012. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.